Which of the following are arithmetic progressions? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write the next three terms. First one 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Second one minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. Solution. First one. Consider the numbers 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. A2 minus A1 is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. A3 minus A2 is equal to 8 minus 4, that is equal to 4. A4 minus A3 is equal to 16 minus 8, that is equal to 8. Here we can observe that the difference is not same, so it is not an AP. Second one. Now let us consider another set of numbers minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, that is equal to minus 3.2 plus 1.2, that is equal to minus 2. A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2, that is equal to minus 5.2 plus 3.2, that is equal to minus 2. Here we observe that the difference is same, that is D is equal to minus 2. So it forms an AP. By this we can write the next three terms as minus 7.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 9.2. Minus 9.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 11.2. Minus 11.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 13.2.